Okay, so here we are again, 2009 Toyota Prius. If those of you watched our other video, we replaced the headlight in the driver's side, and now we have the passenger side. As you see, the passenger side headlight is out, and we still have these Phillips 9003. We have one left we're going to replace on the passenger side. Okay, so we want to get in here, so we want to remove this cover here. I pulled out the pins already. Just get this out of the way here. And then there's another ductwork right here. You pull up on this pin here and pull this ductwork out of the way, and now we can get in to where the bulb is. Okay, so we're going to remove this plug right here first. This is the first thing that has to come out. Okay, I've put a mirror down in there. You can see the mirror where there's a clip going around the bulb. You can see I have the camera on the mirror. There's a clip right back here on the mirror. That clip has to come off now. So you push the clip down and up, and that releases the bulb. And you see right here I have the clip out of the way now, and then you just pull the bulb out and the bulb comes out like that. So there's your old bulb. Okay, so you want to put it in with the prongs on the top. So you don't want to put it in like this upside down. So put it in with the 3 prongs on the top, and that's the top of it, and you place it back into the light bulb. And then once you get it back in, you have to push this wire back over till it clips, and you push in and down, and it snaps back in to hold the bulb in place. And if you see, I have the mirror in there showing how the clip is holding the bulb back in again. Okay, so now we're going to put the boot back in. We put this hole back over the bulb, and we twist it clockwise now to lock the boot in place. Okay, so you see the top it shows top on it, so we want to put it in.
Put it back up so we can see. Hang on, don't quit moving, because I can't focus well at the same time while you're moving. There we go. We can kind of see where it says top there. There we go.
Top, okay.
All right, I'll put this thing.
Okay, there's the boot on with the prongs sticking out, and it's reflecting in the mirror. So you see that. And now I'm going to hook the wire back up. Okay, so we're putting it back in. It only goes one way. You have to have the prong on the top to slide it back on. And then once it's on, you see right there the wire's on. Okay, now we're putting the ductwork back on here like that. And then we'll put this cover back on here. Okay, so now we're checking the headlights. So Tim there turned them back on. So now try the high beams. The high beams work. So we have a successful replacement of the passenger side headlight 2009 Toyota Prius. Okay, so we just wanted to show also that we shined the lights up a little bit. They were a little bit faded, so we put some of this polishing compound on, and now we're going to
Not a plug for that type of compound.
Yeah, we're not promoting this, but we just wanted to show that we put it on. And now Tim's going to turn the headlights back on, and you can see the difference and how much brighter they are. So look at that, and that's the bright lights. So it does wonders to the job. So
And when he was done, he also put a coat of sealing wax over it to
Sealing wax
hopefully slow
too.
that down. Well, that was
Yeah.
what we had laying around.
This is what we had, right?
Again, not a plug.
Yeah, we're not promoting that product, but we just wanted to show what a nice job it
We
does.
only promote Tim Time car wax.
Yeah, if we had one. All right, thanks for watching.
Made with real cars.
Yeah, thanks for watching.